Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another braided wig tutorial installed for you guys. The style I'm going to be doing a tutorial on today is called the Fulani Braids, and this is like my favorite style. So I'm going to be doing a quick install for you guys. You guys know the installs are so easy because the hair is already done for you, so you literally don't even have to do anything when you receive your wig. Just cut the lace off, lay your baby hair, and you're good. And if you want, you can install your elastic band that you purchase at your local beauty supply store. I've already gone ahead to install my elastic band. Now you can make your purchase with the beads or without the beads, depending on what you want. So this is mine right here. It comes with this really cute beads, and it has two braids coming towards the front side of the hair. I already went ahead and installed an elastic band just to secure the hair for me, and it also comes with its own little what do you call this? It also comes with its own elastic band, so you don't have to do so much. So this is what the hair looks like when you get yours. It's a wig, girl. It's a wig. Very natural, very pretty. I'm not even gonna do so much to this. So what I'm gonna do first is go ahead and apply some makeup to my lace. I've already applied makeup to my wig cap. This is gonna make this match my hair as close as possible. So the hair comes already bleached. The hair comes already bleached, but I don't feel like bleaching the hair even more. So just to make it as accurate as possible, I'm just gonna be taking a little bit of my foundation. This is my L'Oreal Inflammable Pro Matte Powder. I'm just going to be applying this to the lace on the wig, just so when I put on this cap, it just melts into my life, like it's my hair. So just taking little dab and dibbles. I'm just going to be dabbing that into the lace. So yeah, I just applied the powder onto the lace. Ignore the noise, that's like the beads, so it's just like going cray-cray right now. But yeah, I really love the color, very earth tones, beads, and then the front beads have like these really cool mix up of colors. It's really, really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and cut up the lace. So I want to take out all the baby hair as much as I can because I want this wig to really look as realistic as possible. Because normally when a normal person braids their hair, especially someone of my hair texture, I try not to leave as much baby hair out because I want the hair to look really neat, and I want it to look as I want it to look realistic to what I normally would do on my hair and like a regular person's hair. I don't know if you guys catch my drift, but yeah, taking out all the baby hairs, and I'm gonna be taking out that stocking cap because I felt like it gave me that unrealistic light scalp color. So I'm just going to be taking that out completely. So yeah, make sure you use a wig cap that is kind of close to your hair color, your hair scalp color. But yeah, so to lay down my actual baby hair, like my real hair, I will be using the Dax edge control. This works so well for all textures. I have tried it and it works. It's like my new favorite thing, and it's not harsh on the hair. But yeah, so this is what your hair should look like, you guys. This wig is so realistic. It doesn't feel heavy. It's so cute, perfect for the summertime, and you just look flawless, and you're ready for like the beach, ready for a swimsuit photo shoot. Like, it's so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Have a merry day and God bless.